Welcome to today's Quick Take. We'll be talking about 2025 trends in data and AI for small businesses. I'm Dr. Ashley Sanders of Sanders Analytics. So one thing that we already know, and I'll be talking about the implications of this, is that nearly all business applications, including CRMs or customer relationship management systems, accounting software, and human resource information systems, record real-time actions and changes. What that means for us is that these platforms generate massive volumes of data, but now they seamlessly integrate with analytics tools. This integration provides small businesses with detailed insights to inform cost reductions, improve profitability, and identify inefficiencies. So we'll take a look at 4 trends today. The first is that AI is becoming much more affordable for small businesses. It's not just the large companies or corporations that can take advantage of the insights from AI tools. They're now built into most of the things that we use on a daily basis. Here are a few examples, although not endorsements. Zoho Social, ZoomInfo, HubSpot, and MailChimp all have AI built into them. I'm tool agnostic, so again, this is not an endorsement, just to give you some ideas of how prevalent these AI tools are. Number 2, AI is improving customer relations through things like generative AI chatbots to improve your customer service, email that you can tailor to your customers' needs and interests, as well as custom recommendations on your website. Number 3, data as a service. So we're seeing a trend towards data as a service, which helps businesses ingest, store, and analyze their data, often through affordable cloud service platforms, which I'll be talking about much more in future videos. We're also seeing a trend towards data security as a service. This helps businesses manage their data securely and in compliance with national and international regulations. This reduces risks and bolsters customer trust. Number 4, and finally, we're seeing data visualization tools become more powerful and clever or sophisticated. They plug into those cloud-based data storage solutions and systems to enable real-time or near real-time analysis. Some commonly used tools include Tableau, Power BI, and Looker Studio. If you're interested in learning more about any of the things I've mentioned in this video, follow me on LinkedIn or YouTube. I've got my links here, and I will also share these links with this video. You can also schedule a time to chat with me if you have any questions about your business or how you could take advantage of some of these trends. Finally, you can check out my work on sandersanalytics.org. Thanks, I look forward to seeing you next time.